So today in this video we shall factorize a plus 4 whole square minus 11 a plus 4 minus 42. So to factorize this, first of all we let a plus 4, we denote a plus 4 by any alphabet, we let it x. So a plus 4 means x, so it is x square minus 11 a plus 4 means x minus 42. So to make it simple, we have expressed or changed this term in the term of x. So first expression x square and last expression minus 42. So both are same. So now we separate minus 11x into two terms. For that we factorize 42. So it is 2 times 21 mean 42, 3 times 7 mean 21. So within these numbers by multiplying we need minus 11. So 2 times 7 mean 14 and remaining 3. So we need minus 11. So minus 14 plus 3, it means it is minus 11. So it can be written as minus 14x plus 3x. So minus 14x plus 3x means it is minus 11x. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is x. So remaining in the first is x minus 14x already came, plus common in these both is 3. So remaining in the first x minus 3 times 14 mean 42. So now we again find out common in this first and last expression. So both contain x minus 14. So x minus 14 is common, remaining in the first x in the last plus 3. So we have find out or converted it into simple form, and we let here x equal to a plus 4. So this x means a plus 4 and this minus 14. Like as here x means a plus 4 plus 3. So now a 4 minus 14 means it is minus 10, and here 4 plus 3 means 7. So a minus 10 and a plus 7 are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.